Okay, y'all. Word on the street is Cardi B and Tasha K might be headed back to court, y'all. Word on the street. They're saying that Tasha K violated what they agreed to. And she might be in some major trouble right now. So let's talk about it, y'all. Let's talk about it. Hello and welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you to my day ones, twos, and threes. Thank you to all my new subscribers that's coming in. That means, well, thank you so very much. I appreciate you all and welcome, welcome, welcome. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only, so everything is alleged, some is not, and the Fair Act use is in my description box, y'all. So let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. I hope I said day four is my day fours too. Y'all, let's get to it. Let's get to it. They're saying that Cardi B and her lawyers is about to tag Tasha jail again. Word on the street. This is what I'm hearing. Now, I'm going to say this, y'all. I'm going to go through some of this stuff that's being posted, and we're going to talk about it. We are going to talk about it, and I want to know how you all feel in the comment section about this whole situation, okay? Because to me, this seems one-sided. If Tasha K can't talk about her, then she shouldn't be able to talk about Tasha K either. Okay, y'all? It should be, you know, I'm just saying, tit for tat. But I guess she wasn't the one in trouble. Tasha K was. So maybe this is how they doing it. Okay? But they are saying that this law is run one-sided. And basically, it's looking like she can't even talk about nobody that Cardi B is even dating or anything else. Anything to do with Cardi B, she's off limits. This is what I get from this. Okay, y'all? This is crazy on so many levels, and we are about to talk about it all, okay? Let's get to it. Let's get to it. So it says, breaking news, Tasha K accused of violating her court-ordered non-disparagement clause. Okay, I hope I'm saying it right. Protecting Cardi B. This is what they saying. Against any direct and indirect attacks from Tasha K, the law favors Cardi B. So they be saying that, they've been going at it again. She been talking her stuff, and some stuff I missed, some stuff I, caught that Tasha K was saying about her or whatever. I never heard her say her name or anything like that, but I guess they're saying it doesn't matter. But Cardi B just went full force on social media talking about Tasha K, talking about when she was younger and she was raped and strawberry by somebody older, and this and that and this, and her family and this and that. Cardi B just went in, y'all. Is this okay for her to do Tasha K like that? But Tasha K can't say, she can't even speak about somebody that everybody else is talking about. Now, they do have a point on some of this stuff, but I want to go over the things that they're saying and how she broke the law, okay? And how she broke the clause on what she was supposed to be not doing, okay? Now, y'all, now they're saying the law is favoring Cardi B. Number one, a non-disparagement clause typically prohibits in defamation judgments and settlement style orders like Cardi B versus Tasha K. Non-disparagement clauses usually bar making derogatory, demeaning, or insulting statements that refer to or concern the protected party directly or indirectly in any public forum like social media, whatever. Whether stated as facts, implication, or opinion, many are drafted very broadly because the court already found malice or reckless disregard. Okay, this is what they're saying. Okay, now they're saying when Tasha K posted this up, this is some pink powder. Okay, y'all, and sharing a ninja type shitica. Okay, I can't win. This convo is below me. I don't know this lifestyle. Nurse. This is what she posted up. So I guess they're saying that when she said this, she was accusing Cardi B of smoking the kneecaps off. Okay, y'all? This is what they're saying. Now, let's keep going. The law favors Cardi B. Number two, direct versus indirect identification. My bad, y'all. A key legal principle here. You do not have to name someone for a statement to be about them. So she Can't even talk about a situation, even if she don't even mention her name. This is what they're saying. Court asks, would a reasonable reader understand who is being referenced? Okay, y'all. Is the speaker audience aware of the context? Is the speaker initially invoking a known dispute? Tasha K and Cardi B have a well-documented public legal history. So context matters a lot. Okay, this is what they're saying. Now, this is another thing that Cardi B posted up. They're saying, she says, the ninja must be one of his other baby mamas that have conceived, that he conceived with this year, and he left the bee alone high on pink powder. It's giving misplaced anger. Nurse. Now, I know that Cardi B called herself, I'm just saying, a comedian and all of this stuff, because she's funny. She is. She had you rolling laughing at times, okay? Do y'all think that Tasha K should be even joking about anything connected to Cardi B, y'all? Even in a joke. If she has a gag order and can't talk about her at all. And like they saying, you don't have to say the person's name, which this is what Cardi B thought, that she didn't have to say the name, and she can still talk about her. Okay? And they're saying that the people that's listening know who she's talking about, so it's still referenced toward Cardi B. Okay? So they're saying that she broke the clause. Okay? The law favors Cardi B. Analysis of the specific post you shared. Post 1, street pharmacy use. Abandonment, insults. Now, I'm going to just say this, y'all. I can see them taking off the street pharmacy stuff. She shouldn't have said that. But abandonment, she did get left alone on Christmas. I'm just saying, y'all. Didn't she? Wasn't everybody on social media talking about this? So she can't say that this man spent his Christmas with his baby mamas. I'm just saying. This just seemed like they nitpicking now. They kind of nitpicking. I'm just going to just say it like it is, okay? This ain't the first time that Cardi B has been abandoned. I'm just saying, y'all, okay? Key problems legally. Accusations of street pharmacy use. Now, that's a problem right now. Because if you ain't still using it, you don't know. So, that's why I always say, allegedly, they say he's spoken their kneecaps off. But I don't know. I don't be there, okay, y'all? I don't know. But Tasha K, this is a sensitive matter when it comes to somebody that you already done went to court on already. And the problem that I have with this is she talk about everybody. It ain't that she just talk about Cardi B. She talk about everybody. And I just don't see, I don't know, Stefan Diggs off limit. She didn't go to court with him. I'm just saying, y'all. She went to court with Cardi B. All right? So I don't know about this. Moral degradation and baby mama's abandonment. He do got a lot of baby mamas. Everybody is talking about all these baby mamas. So Cardi B is saying that she don't want Tasha K to talk about it, but everybody else is. I don't get this part right here, y'all. Y'all let me know if I'm tripping, okay? Gendered and degrading language. So she did call her a B. She called her a B. No disclaimer that it is satire or fictional, okay? If a court finds this post is about Cardi B, it would likely qualify as disparaging, humiliating, and reputational harmful. I don't see nobody messing up her reputation more than herself, y'all. I'm just saying, y'all. She's making a complete fool of herself out here in these streets. I'm just saying. Y'all, tell me, do y'all believe? Now, a lot of people say that Tasha K is harassing this child. She won't just leave her alone. But a lot of people is feeling like Cardi B get away with a lot of stuff. And the court system is rigged to let her get away with a lot of stuff. Just like what happened when her street associates went in there and took over the little bar and everything and putting paws on people and this and that and this. She got off on that too and got community service and she donated some money to the city. It seemed like she paid them off right in our face. Why is it that she win every case? She come outside and she throwing at people because they ask her a question when she go to court. Like, how is it that she get away with everything that she's doing? And sooner or later, I'm just saying, y'all, her luck is going to run out. And she gonna be in that courtroom, and they gonna surprise Cardi B one day. Because the more, and I tell y'all this all the time, I tell my subscribers this all the time, the more they let them get away with stuff, the more stuff that they're gonna do, and get bolder and bolder and bolder with it. This is why she feel like she can come on social media, and she could talk about, Tasha K like a dog. I mean, talked about her husband, and she want him to F him, and she want to eat her cootie cat, and all of this. She got down, y'all. Cardi B got down talking about Tasha K. I don't know, have y'all been listening to her and how she's been coming? But she been coming for her. And it's hard for me to believe that this is just about her saying something about the baby daddies. Everybody was saying something about him, okay? She said Tasha K, she says she's taking care of her husband. That her husband is an employee. This is what she said, y'all. Her husband is an employee. She ain't never took care of no ninja. Tasha K got to take care of her man. She's the breadwinner, and she the one got to take care, employ her husband. Well, I'm gonna say this, y'all. She's still taking care of Offset right now, and I don't know why she keeps saying her ex, because ain't she still married to? Let me look it up real quick. Did the divorce go through yet for her? Because she keep on calling Offset her ex, but they're still married, from my understanding. Okay, so let's see. Cardi B filed for divorce from Offset July 2024. Let's see. They said as of late 2025, the divorce isn't finalized as of yet. So she's still married to him. She's still married to him. So why she keep saying her ex? He's not her ex. They still together. I'm just saying, okay? And she's taking care of him right now. Word on the street is she said it was cheaper to keep Offset than to divorce him because he wants too much. This is another way of Cardi B to get out of stuff legally. Everybody else get a divorce. Whether the woman is the breadwinner or the man is the breadwinner or making the most money, either way it goes, the other one has to pay up and give the other person whatever they got to give them so they can go away. Cardi B still trying to get out of that. She don't want to pay Offset anything. She figures she don't have to. She'd rather just stay married to him and separate their bank accounts. And then she'll still get her way. Okay? This is crazy on so many levels. And I'm going to just say this. I think she's jealous when it comes to Tasha K and her husband, because Tasha K been married for a very long time and she don't got to run up behind her husband to get attention. He's there all the time. And Cardi B got to run up behind hers. Whenever she just snooze a little bit, he off to one of the other baby mama's house. She went out of town to Dubai, somewhere she went. I forgot where she went recently. And he couldn't wait to run over to one of the other baby mama's houses. And enjoying his time with them. She has to share her time. And I think she got a problem with Tasha K because she don't have to go through that. So she talked about Tasha K's man and all of this stuff. Not only did she talk about Tasha K's man, so and Tasha K Tasha K want her and this and that and this, and she want to eat her. This woman talks so nasty and disgusting under this woman's clothes and everything else. Not only do she talk about Tasha K, but she got on social media. And I'm just pointing out some facts about what she is doing and how she talk. Okay, she was talking to her followers, telling them, what do y'all want me to do? Put the baby back up in my cootie cat and all of this stuff. I can't do nothing about it now. If you would have put the baby back in your cootie cat, it still would have came. But I'm just saying, y'all, she still would have got pregnant again and still had it. Maybe she should have said, did you want me to push the baby back up in the pack of whacker? Then that would have made more sense. Okay, but this is what she said, y'all. And she said, why don't y'all leave me alone and back up off of me before I be messing with y'all. You want me to take y'all man and this and that. Cardi B is very, she thinks she got it like that, okay? And it's a lot of women out here that think that they just got it like that they in charge and this and that. And they try to use that power against people to get what they want or just be dirty, okay, y'all? Or just be dirty. So I'm just going to just put that out there, okay? She also said, what she say about her? She called Tasha K ugly. She always called her ugly. Okay. And, you know, a lot of people was pointing out, baby, well, before you got all that plastic surgery, you was ugly too. So a lot of people said that about her as well. Okay, so the thing she's saying about Cardi B, I mean, about Tasha K, everybody is pointing right back at her. A lot of people is, you know, dragging her and everything, okay? She got a lot of bad luck going on right now. I'm just going to put that out there, okay? Her tour is not selling. They saying that 3 of her shows out of 36 or 35 is sold out. I'm still hearing her first tour, the first performance. It hasn't sold out yet. So it's a lot of lies going back and forth. Just like when she, you know, went platinum and double platinum, but she put those old songs that had already went platinum on her new album, which made her look like the new album went platinum. She lied about that too. I'm just saying, y'all. Okay. She getting a kick out of talking about Tasha K and downing her, and I think this got a lot to do with the color of Tasha K's skin. I'm just gonna put it out there, y'all. Okay. I'm just gonna put it out there. A lot of people brought up the fact that Tisa Tell's been dragging Cardi B like crazy. And she never go at Tisa Tell's not one time. And she drags the crap out of her. Tisa Tell's got a lot of subscribers too. A lot of people listen to her. She was all on the news. She did cover the Diddy trial, the this and that. So she's out there. People do listen when she talk. So a lot of people feel like, why ain't she going after Tisa Tell's the way she's going after Cardi B? And they're thinking that it has to do with the color of Tasha K's skin. Okay, y'all? I'm just saying, y'all. Okay? Now, another thing is this gag order. This gag order is, Tasha K can't say anything about her. But if there's a gag order, shouldn't it be the same on the other end, too? I'm just saying, if they saying that she caused Cardi B trauma, getting graped and strawberry at a young age or whatever, that's trauma too. So how is it that Tasha, you know, Cardi B can bring up Tasha K stuff that she didn't went through, but she can't bring up anything about her? I'm just saying, y'all. I'm just saying. A lot of stuff that she's saying don't make no sense. Offset is living in one of their houses. He's bringing different women there and this and that. And the matter of fact, they said another woman lived there in a house that she helped pay for. And she's sitting up here saying, oh, Cardi B is taking care of me. And you is still taking care of Offset right now as we speak. You are still, your name's still attached to that house too. And word on the street is the majority of your money paid for it. So you still taking care of a man that you won't even divorce. You attached to one while you still trying to get with another one that's attached to several others. So for her them to not want her to say nothing, I'm just saying she can't even speak on other stuff's going on. Then she got on here, she talked about Tasha K owe taxes and all of this other stuff. And that she don't owe nobody. She pay all her bills. Well, word on the street, that's not true. Because they're saying that Cardi B owes her record label millions, y'all. And if she don't pay for this concert, this tour, because they're saying she's going over budget, she got to come out her pocket and pay some more money for this tour. And she said she keep going back to the table to get them to do the budget over and this and that and this. But she's going over the budget. And they're saying that she's going to have to pay out her own pocket for the rest of whatever she won't done for this concert, y'all. They don't want to spend this type of money and they're not even selling the tickets. Now Cardi B is saying she got to come and find the money so she can do the tour because she wants to, you know, show up and show out for people. And she's telling all her fans that she's doing this for them. When in all actual reality, you're doing this for yourself, for the money. This is what you're doing it for because the record label gave you a check that they didn't want to give you because they don't trust you like that. They already had to lie to say you went platinum. Now, they give you a little budget so you can stick to that, get on the stage, dance, make some of their money back that they just gave you. And she's going way over budget. She don't like what's being done. They doing the props. She's not satisfied. She this, she that. And to be honest with y'all, she already saying she want to go home. She's already complaining. She just started training for the concert, doing her little dance routines and this and that and this. She's already complaining about she miss her family. She want to go home. She's already complaining, y'all. And if she's complaining now, how is she going to feel when she gets to that fourth, okay? That fourth tour date. And there's nobody in those seats. And if the very few that do show up and they're taking pictures and showing that she's going up there sweating hard for 5 people in the stadium, how you think Cardi B is going to feel, y'all? See, you can't hide. You cannot hide. You cannot continue to lie and say, oh, you platinum and double platinum and all your fans is coming and you selling out and this and that. Because when the shitka hits the fan, if they don't turn around and give away your tickets to fill those seats just so you won't look bad, you gonna look bad. And even if you give away them tickets, people are going to talk about it. They're going to say, I didn't pay for this ticket. The world is still going to tell, well, what you doing, how you doing it, when you doing it. Ain't no hiding behind that, y'all. It just ain't. Ain't nowhere in the world. But anyway, y'all, Tasha K, I guess she posted this. Why did my lawyers record the entire spaces today? Child, they said they done playing games. I didn't even know they were listening. So, I don't know what's going on with this situation. But I heard Cardi B said the same thing. That her lawyer said that they weren't finna play no more games. So, are they about to go back to court? I don't know. But word on the street is shitka is hitting the fan right now with Tasha K and Cardi B again. Okay, y'all? What else? What else? The law favors Cardi B. Post 2. Witness intimidation charges coming soon. This is more serious. Why? Wait a minute. Where's that post? Okay. Violation of the non-disparaging clause. Tasha K posted witness intimidation charges coming soon. You can't contact an alleged victim on behalf of someone being prosecuted. Allegedly. She never said this woman's name. Only thing I heard Cardi B say, and I'm just going, not Cardi B, Tasha K say, was, she said one of the baby mamas. She didn't say which one. He got a bunch of them. He has a bunch of them. And everybody was talking about this. But she chose to come at Tasha over this. Now, they're saying that she violated it because, and they're saying this is very serious. Okay? It implies criminal conduct. If she did contact this female, and they can prove that she did contact this female, how do Tasha K get in trouble for saying one of this guy's boyfriends? This is what everybody's been talking about. Saying that somebody contacted this chef and try to get her to leave that man alone. You're going to get that man in trouble. So they're saying this is serious what Cardi B posted. It references an alleged victim. It suggests ongoing prosecution, and it creates public suspicion of wrongdoing. It is wrongdoing, ain't it, y'all? If you have somebody that's pressing charges on a man, and his girlfriend is reaching out to you, I'm just asking y'all. Y'all let me know in the comment section if I'm tripping or not. Ain't that wrongdoing? I'm just saying, okay? Courts are especially strict about statements implying new crimes after a defamation judgment. Oh, that's where it's coming from. So they just had a defamation judgment done, and she is applying to more charges, but she never said her name. So I don't see. I'm just saying I don't see how this is serious. And it could have been. She could have heard if it was any one of the baby mamas. She don't know which one it was, and she didn't put Cardi B's picture even up there. Let's keep going. Even with allegedly, courts often hold, saying allegedly does not shield you if the implication is defamatory. Okay, y'all? So this is what they're saying, that she is still defaming Cardi B. When Cardi B is defaming herself by being with a man that's out here cheating on her with all these other women and getting baby after baby after baby. This is crazy. So Cardi B, I'm just gonna say this. Tasha K, be quiet. Leave Cardi B alone. Don't do no more stories about anything to do with her. This is what I would do. I would wipe my hands of this. Tasha K got so much going for her right now. She got she got her own drink now, y'all. She got her own WINE brand. She is pushing that, her own. Okay? You don't need this drama. It's not that serious. You're going to end up owing this woman another couple millions. And your whole brand and everything that you're working for is going to be going to her instead of going to your kids. Girl, leave her alone. Seriously, like, this ain't even worth it, okay? The law favors Cardi B once again. Number 4, does it violate the clause automatically? Not automatically, but Cardi B would have a strong argument that these posts are disparaging, they revive or escalate public attacks. I don't see how when everybody else was already posting this stuff. Okay, y'all. They undermine the process of the judgment. They may constitute contempt of court. The deciding factors would be, number 1, exact clause language. Number 2, whether Cardi B is identifiable. Number 3, whether the statements are negative or harmful. Number 4, whether Tasha K has already been warned or sanctioned. Y'all, this is what they saying. The law favors Cardi B. Number 5, important distinction, free speech versus court orders. This is where people get confused. Normally, speech is protected, but once a court order exists, the speaker's rights are contractually and judicially limited. Violating the non-disparaging clause is not a free speech issue. It's a court compliance issue. Okay, y'all? Number 6, the law favors Cardi B. Bottom line, legally speaking, these posts could reasonably be argued as violations, especially the posts implying criminal conduct. Allegedly and indirect language do not automatically protect her. Repeated conduct strengthens and a contempt claim. This is what they're saying. This is what Tasha K, lawyer, ain't got shitka on Cardi B legal team. This is what they putting up. Tasha K posted, make no mistake, we aren't afraid of anyone and their lawsuits. I have 3 extremely high profile legal teams that are on standby in case it gets slippery out here. We've been sued dozens of times and have won each of them since 2020. Every time. This is what she's saying. 2018 was a heavy lesson learned and will never happen again in history. It's happening again now, girl. Leave this child alone. This was my loss for my gains. I've been humbled from that experience, and my lawyers have since schooled me like no other. That's why we have continued to operate and thrive in a space and are dominating. Looking forward to 2026 and more. Much success to everyone this year. So I'm going to just say this. Congratulations to her new brand and what she's doing right now. And Tasha K, leave Cardi B alone, please. Please. I hate to see more money coming out your pocket going to somebody that got enough money of her own. Okay? Just leave it alone. Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think about this whole situation. Please like, share, subscribe if you like the video. And thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.